Welcome, we're the science family.
The science family, we are the science family. Observation and demonstration, the science family. The science family, we are the science family. Observation and demonstration, the science family.
Greetings, everyone.
Hi guys, today's the Science Family and we're making butter.
Yay, we're making butter.
And at the end we're going to be eating it with toast.
Absolutely. Okay, so we're ready. Samaya, read the instructions on what we need to make some butter. Don't cover your face.
Read the first one?
Yes, read everything.
Science is everywhere. I say it all the time because it is true. One of the best places in your home to find science in action is your kitchen.
That's
Cooking
right.
and baking requires chemistry, eating, and digestion requires biology. It's all science.
That's right. So today with our science experiment in making butter, all you need is heavy whipping cream.
And we still have it because remember we did fizzing lemonade?
Yes, but we're going to use this to strain our butter. But in order to make it, you have to put the heavy whipping cream in your jar, a mason jar. So all you need is a mason jar, heavy whipping cream, and some arm power. So we're going to shake, shake, shake. Y'all ready? All right, let's start shaking. Let's see how long it takes for us. Let's set our timer. Start shaking. Shake, keep shaking.
I'll stand up.
It sounds like it's a sound.
Are you tired already? Don't hit your sister.
It's coming together.
All right.
This is easy.
Wow, it's going up.
Keep shaking. Here, baby. This is your whipping cream. Yes, it is.
Just call it milk.
Karima. Here, let's shake your whipping cream.
Just call it milk to her.
Okay,
she
it's
thinks
milk.
It's milk. Then
So
just,
let's shake your milk.
so she won't cry.
No, Tariq, don't open it yet. It's not ready. You gotta
I
keep.
really want to see it.
You're gonna. Oops, excuse me,
Can I
Karima.
see it out?
No, not yet. Y'all haven't.
Are you serious?
Yes, it's coming together.
This
looks like ice cream from the ice cream video.
All right. So we're just making a small amount of butter. Shake, 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 shake. You're making
remember
butter.
our ice cream video? We had to shake the bag.
Yes, that required shaking as well.
Yeah, that was even harder
Because
because water was splashing everywhere.
And what we're gonna do, what you're gonna find out about this experiment in terms of making our butter is why and how. We're gonna talk about the science behind how this, you can't eat it now, son.
Yeah, you have to put it on bread or something.
Yes. Come on, Tariq, use the muscles. Use your muscles.
Yeah,
Shake
you
it.
always used to brag about, I got big misses.
I don't care about
Okay, shake your butter, Karima. You're doing a good job,
I'm
baby.
not doing my
Oh, look at that baby. That baby shaking and making that butter.
Mama.
She making that butter.
That's right.
Good job. Keep shaking.
Whoa, mine's coming better.
Look, you don't have to do it.
Shake, shake, shake. Look at them
Can
muscles.
you do mine,
I
please?
don't care about my muscles.
Oh, you don't care about your muscles? Okay. Shake, shake, shake.
Mine is almost bigger than Daddy.
Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it. I doubt very seriously if your muscles are about big as your daddy's. Come on, girl. Shake this butter.
Bigger than mine. My
Y'all shaking, shaking, shaking.
Mommy,
All right, so far you've been shaking
Did you
for
stop the video?
only 2 minutes. shake. Keep shaking.
Look, I'm doing it circular.
In circular motion. Okay, Karima, we're gonna put the butter in there, baby. All right. Ooh, it's coming together. I see some solids. Solids. Tariq, no, we're gonna put the butter in there.
I wish my next experiment could be that slime that when you don't play with it, it gets so slimy. But when you play with it, it gets really hard and rough. That can be a next science experiment. It's cool.
Shake, babies. Come on. I need some shaking going on. You're not a baby. Shake.
Hold it.
Look at this, guys.
Mommy, butter. Look, I'm doing it in a circular.
My butter.
Like on the
It's butter, Mom.
Remember on the tornado one? We did that. We're gonna do it
Yes.
again.
Okay. Karima, come on. I need you to do some
My
more
butter
shaking.
looking beautiful.
Open it up, Samaya. Let's look at it. Let's get it on the camera. Let's see what it looks like. Careful. Take your time.
Well, it stinks.
All right. So this is
taste
the
it?
whipping cream phase. Yeah, you
taste
can try and taste it.
I bet my stomach is gonna hurt like Zahir said.
Yes,
like
Karima.
nothing.
Keep shaking.
Oh, it tastes like Olive Garden butter.
Oh, ooh, Karima.
I want to taste it.
You want to taste it? Okay.
This
get
butter
your-
is actually good.
Mmm.
I like it plain.
Let's shake. Shake some
Plain
more.
butter.
Tariq, what does yours look like?
Like
Oh
a
my
building.
goodness, it's separating so well. Okay, so Tariq, woo, your butter is ready.
It's red.
It's ready.
Can I check mine?
Yes, you can check yours, Samaya.
You can open it.
It's
All
mine.
right, Tariq, I'm gonna put yours
Better
in
not
here.
rub your hands in here. Ooh, guys, look at this.
Ooh,
It's so yummy.
it's so yummy.
Yeah, we heated up our toast.
Yes.
Mommy.
So Samaya,
Hmm?
let's read the science behind making butter.
Making
Okay.
that.
This is Tariq's
The
butter.
science of making butter.
That's Kareem's
Butter is created when the fat and cream starts to stick together. You might be asking, what keeps the fat from sticking together all the time? Small amounts of fat cells and cream and milk are held together by a tight membrane. Under normal conditions, these membranes keep fat cells from grouping together to form large globs. When the cream is agitated by the shaking of the jar, the fat cells bump against each other and the membranes burst. This frees the fat cells to clump together to form large globs and finally a large clump of butter.
Awesome. And this is our butter. Karima has some on her toast.
Can I have mine?
Yes.
I
This
don't
is
want
your.
mine trade.
Huh?
Yes, my butter, not cool.
Your butter is fine, Tariq.
No, it's not.
Here, Samaya, you can put some butter. Tariq, you want bread and butter? You gonna try your butter?
Jelly.
Nah.
Let's try the toast first and see how it tastes with the butter.
This is
All
a
right.
big butter. We might be eating toast for breakfast.
This is Karima's butter.
No, I don't like it.
No, because we only eating 2 meals a day.
And it will taste different because the store-bought butter has salt in it. But this is butter that's not had salt added to it. So this is nice, fresh cream.
I like it.
So do I. This was good.
I don't know what's wrong with here.
Me either. You like it, Karima?
I want Samaya.
You want some Myers? All right. Thank you so much for joining the science family. Good night.
Bye.
Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell and like. Bye!